Beth, what are you doing?
I'm catching a
Keep your rod tip up, honey.
You're catching a fish.
You want me to net them for you?
Yeah.
If you like Alaska reality shows but hate the Hollywood drama, come with us and we'll show you the great land. This is Alaska Reality.
Don't let go of your pole.
Reel some more.
Luke, wait, don't reel right now. Stop.
Oh, he's over here.
He's over her line.
Okay, Luke, come over here. You're snagged up.
Wow, that's actually
Wow,
not
that's a big
bad
female
shape.
pink. That's a keeper right there.
That's not a bad one. These are actually in good shape this time, huh?
Can you please unhook?
Beth, are you having fun?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're going fishing and Mom's catching a fish.
And what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna net it.
Okay, you gotta net it head first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we'll see how you do. Listen to them sea lions out there. Basically, this is Allison Point, and when the pinks are in, anybody can catch fish. Anybody. Okay, Beth, keep that net out of the water until he gets in close.
You'll net
Luke, you got to figure out the end of your rod there. There you go. Reel, Cody. Reel, cast and reel.
I think you can snag them out of here.
You can.
Legally?
Yeah.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're just running up and down the shore here. Who's got one, Heather?
Heather's got one. I don't know, Heather. That doesn't look like a pink. Reel, Cody.
They're not fighting like an old dead pink, but I'm pretty sure it is.
It's an old live pink.
It's an old live pink.
Hey, thanks, Ray.
Should I tighten the drag or will I break the line?
Not much if you do. Look out, Cody. Don't cast right now. What do you think, Cody? Speak up, buddy.
I didn't catch it.
Bethany, are you ready?
Yeah.
It's coming.
Whoa, Cody, cast now.
Oh, whoa.
Reel.
Oh, go.
I had one and then I lost
Here
it.
they come. Here they come.
What?
That's
I have a big one. It's you.
You got the bottom, buddy.
Take a picture of the skate.
Cody, don't. You're going to break your line. You got the bottom.
No, Dad.
Get him, Beth.
He got me all wet. Come on, ready?
Hold on, just let him
Just wait, Cody.
drag. Cody, keep your pull up.
This isn't hooked right.
If it's a hen, we'll keep it. But if it's got a hump on its back, then we don't want it. Come on, let Beth net it. Oh, Beth, good job!
He's happy. This is definitely awesome.
Okay, I gotta go help Cody.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Don't try to
Luke,
pull
get
it
the
in.
net.
That's
Luke,
just
get
hang
the
on
net.
to it.
Get it.
How about you help?
Help, hurry.
I'm fishing. He's a big one.
Don't pull him over the rock. Don't pull him over the rock.
Dad, get him in. Get him in.
Guess that's one way to catch him.
Cody's sitting here working his tail off.
She left her line in the water so she could eat her jelly bellies.
And then this bitch just said, ooh.
Tell everybody. He just said, oh yeah, I'll eat that.
And my phone, like, I was holding it right here, and then some of the hook was in, and then the fish was like, oh, just like that.
Good job. Got him on the pin rod.
If I get a fish right now, I'm going to be really hosed.
Okay, dump him in the cooler. Just wait. Okay.
You gonna keep him?
Yep, it's a
Hen?
hen.
Okay.
Pick it up, dump it in the cooler.
Fish bit on me.
Real fast, buddy, Kay. Okay, Jake.
Oh, I saw that.
Boy, the pinks are everywhere here in Valdez. And got a couple pinks to throw in the smoker. They're not the prime Alaskan salmon that you usually have. We like reds, silvers, or kings. But for the day, for the kids to come catch fish on their own, or for a beginner who doesn't know what they're doing with salmon fishing, this is like the prime spot to come. I mean, there's thousands of them here. You can hear those sea lions out on the rocks.
Over here. Don't know if I can zoom in quite on them. They're right out over there.
There we go, fillet and release. Oh!
Did you hook him?
Am I hooked?
Are you okay? Almost in the neck. Turn around.
This is why I told you not to go do that.
Release.
Ouch.
I caught one.
Cody, you can't yank that like that, son. You're gonna hook somebody worse.
Cody, why don't you go down a little bit or something?
You're gonna hook Grandpa.
Cody, not right there. There's a fish right there. Came right up in here.
Okay, stay right there. No farther. That's it. Bethany, what the?
What the fish?
What the fish?
I want to get. Oh, I got one.
Don't let it snag on the bottom though.
Luke, come take another load. Come take another load if you want to go look for bears.
It's guts! Mommy! It's guts!
Guts? What kind of guts?
Fish guts!
Fish guts.
Yucky!